Which technique or method in values education is most appropriate when you want your student to take a stand and justify that on a moral issue? Is it A, role playing, B, values clarification, C, moral dilemma, or letter D, inculcation? Ano ang technique or method na kailangan natin upang sa ganun, kung gusto natin mga estudyante natin ay magkaroon ng sariling tayo and justify on a moral issue? Tumpak na sagot is letter C, moral dilemma. Pagka sinabi po natin moral dilemma, this method involves presenting students with a situation, okay, that will require them to make a difficult ethical choice. Para sa ganun, mas kaya nilang express ang kanilang mga sarili at magkaroon sila ng concrete na choice patungkol po sa mga moral dilemmas. Pag sinabi po nating role-playing, ayan, isa sa mga paborito ng mga estudyante, it focuses on acting out situations to understand feelings or perspectives. Pag sinabi naman po nating values clarification, it is a teaching approach that helps learners become aware of their own values, examine them, reflect on them, and choose their actions based on personally held beliefs. Pag sinabi naman po nating inculcation, it aims to instill or teach specific values. Meron po tayong example dito. Number one, teachers consistently remind students to say please and thank you. Ayan. Pangalawa, practicing prayer before meals.